Today I'm going to be making kielbasa and smoked sausage with spam stew that you can eat with rice or pasta. I'm gonna start cooking. I've blended up all my vegetables. I have added to the pot half cup of oil, which I'm going to saute my peppers and onions. I'm gonna let that cook down for a little bit. You just want to kind of move it around and then put your stove on, I would say medium. When all that is incorporated, we are going to just move it around a little bit. You don't want it to burn. Then you're going to add in your kielbasa and your smoked sausage that you have pureed or coarsely chopped in your food processor. Once that is added to the pot, you are going to move it around and kind of get it incorporated with your peppers and onion. You're going to incorporate that. Just move it around and give it about 10 minutes to kind of pre-cooked a little bit more. Once you have stirred it, now you're going to add in your cumin, black pepper, garlic, paprika, sage, and cumin. This is all going to be incorporated in your pot. The directions is in the description. Add that to it and you're just gonna move it around. That's all it is. Now you gotta put that flavor, let that flavor work its way through the meat. As you can see here, it has worked its way all through the meat and you are done. Now, isn't that some simple dinner? You can serve this over some white rice or you can mix it with some pasta. But I chose to mix it with some white rice. Now all I'm doing here is just going to mix it in with the rice and yeah, it's ready to eat. You can either mix this with some chicken or you can do some fried fish, whatever sides you want with your vegetables and meat. This is perfect to be eaten by itself or you can pair it off with some kind of meat.